Arminion leaves it to Mashon. Jumper from Mike off the glass and in. Pido. Lepalam right in front of him. Nasa ilalim ang bola. Beichong to Canaleta off the glass and in.
Which is exactly what we were.
Beichong to Canaleta. Alonte nakawala. That is short. And Beichong cleans it up. Santos. And then ang ball pressure sa taas. Santos with a turnaround shot. Off the glass and in para kay Dennis. Away by Ruka Curva. Kenny Roger on the run. Finds Alonte, who will wait for friends.
Good shot.
Fires a
Good
three
shot.
and he puts it in.
I like that shot by Ronnie Alonte. I mean, there was nobody right in front of him. And you know you've got that shot.
Mike Maestre in the game as well. Halyare. Drives baseline. Binigay kay Peña Redondo. Pamboy attacks the middle. Pamboy lays it in for two.
Actually, isa yan sa mga strength ng Binyan. They have
quickly to Junji. Junji, the fadeaway is good.
Junji is one of those bench guys.
Estrada.
Right.
De Chavez for three. Yes.
Yeah, you know, I rest my case. He's one of the top trailer guys.
And last shot here.
Oh, good skip.
De Chavez to get his shot off.
But he's 2 out of 2 now.
Oh. Here's Maestre. Has to fire and hit. Mike Maestre with the final game. Valenzuela with the lead 21-20. This end of the
matter superstar ka man o hindi. Oh, good finish right here.
What a play. Session natapik ni Pamboy Raimundo. Takbo si Peña Redondo. Joseph Peña Redondo puts it in for two. And Binyan is up. And those makes were coming off turnovers. De Chavez again.
Oh, man.
Oh boy, he move. 5 seconds to shoot for Val City. Santos leans in, shoots and banks it in.
Staying composed.
No go. Canaleta leading the break. Ahead to Ruka Curva. Back to Canaleta. Pretty play from Binyan.
And that has a lot of times that's late.
10 points now for Canaleta, and Ruka Curva goes all the way to the cup.
And that's been pretty much how the game.
Ruka Curva. 15-point lead for Binyan. Arminion sneaks in for the two.
This season.
Halyare with a fadeaway and Kenny Ruka Curva. Mashon on the run. Mashon will finish. Well, that was a gamble. Ruka Curva na hindi nga 6-footer as Tarazona lays it in.
Well, finally they get a basket. Speaking of Val City.
And is Pido aware of the time? Yes. Almost made a shot. 9-point lead at the break. The halftime score is brought to you by Ganyon. Payawal ahead of the pack. CJ will finish with the left hand.
There you go.
Wow, the corner three. No go. Arminion. Drop pass to Payawal. Kapos. Another opportunity. Mike Mashon refusing to give up.
Yeah, and
Ruka Curva, give and go. Ruka Curva with a hang time move.
That time around, Kenny taking advantage.
8 points for Ruka Curva. De Chavez knocks it down.
That's almost a layup for Chris De Chavez.
Arminion, two-man game with Mashon.
Wow.
And you can flex. La Entrazona makes his move.
Ganda.
Nice drop pass to Payawal for two. DJ Payawal.
Di ganun kalaki ang katawan pero very conscious sa mga cuts itong si Trazona.
And Ruka Curva answers right back. And actually in this lineup, apat sila except kay Alabanza.
Yeah.
Here's Manliguez sneaking in for the 2 points. Narel Manliguez gets the rebound. Takbo ang Valenzuela. De Chavez, the extra pass to Ryan. Oh!
Wow.
Uses the Mashon pick. Payawal against Rocacorva. CJ makes his move, spins. Yes!
All day. All day.
For Binyan. Binyan also advantage in the points off turnovers, 14-5. Manliguez, sinusubukan ng depensa ni Papoy.
Yeah.
What a shot, Darrell Manliguez.
That's twice already sa Delph we've seen.
In the lead right now.
Yan ang tinatawag ng magic boot.
Pido. Inside, good look to Maestre. Ang ganda ng gather. Floor. And Diego as well. JJ Pido rather. Nakakailan na ako ha. JJ Pido.
Pido doon.
Oh, katakutan.
There you go. Man and ball. And yan ang difference pagka baseline out of bounds. Marami kang knockout.
Oh! Brian Bolivar. Robbie for three.
Oh.
Finally! Robbie Manalang.
You know, double him on the second dribble. Oh!
Great spin. Ay Poy Poy Aktob.
Three.
JJ Pido. Aktob for three. Ganda na sagot ni Poy Poy. From the corner. I mean, whoever. Coach Boy for three. Yes.
That's big. Underneath.
Pido, Maestre rises and puts it in. Oh!
Wow. Very few dribbles no? Really catch, finish, catch, finish. Dito, how now will you defend against that two-man game? There's another one right there.
Impayan inside. You know,
Go when he sets this up.
8 seconds in the shot clock. Poy Poy!
Oh, wow.
Three-pointer para kay Poy Poy Aktob. Benyan pulling. Pido. Nice pass. Oh, wow. Katakutan. Yes, Aktob. Katakutan. Long two is good.
There you go.
Oh, three. That was it. So Binyan will extend their unbeaten start to the season to 4 games. Valenzuela will snap yung kanilang losing streak, winning streak rather.
Yep.
Alonte for 3, and that will do it.
Yeah, and so Val City now goes 4-3. Tapos itong Binyan will now go 4-0.
No, but what a game that